So we're here at our annual Christmas gathering to celebrate the reason for the season, show a little love to our team members, and cap off the year, cap off 2020, talk through our successes of 2020 and take a look ahead to 2021. Join us, check it out. God, I thank you for these people, this team, for every one of them, who they are, their strengths, their abilities, their work, their hearts, their service to one another, their service to the team, God. I thank you for them. God, I thank you for Jesus, for the reason for the season, for that unfailing love and faithfulness that brings us together, that drives us, that fuels us in this mission. God, thank you for this year, this crazy year of 2020, all the lessons that you've taught us, the things we've learned, the ways we've gotten stronger, Lord. And I thank you for the road ahead, the things you have in store for us in 2021 and beyond. God, I just pray that you bless everyone here in the path ahead. Watch over them and take care of them. Help us to take care of them, God. So now looking ahead to 2021, just for a moment here, we're really gearing up to have a pretty phenomenal year, 2021. As Jacob mentioned, we're really well positioned as a brand. We're the fastest growing brand in our industry by far. And we're really digging into that position in our industry to continue fueling the growth and success of our team members, customers, and community on every front. We've got a slate full of product advancements. Some of you have been involved in projects like the FleetNet Engineer Beam 2.0. Some of you know about some changes that are about to happen in this shop with dump trailers coming into the main shop, some of those things. Some pretty exciting, big changes for our team that are going to just be rocket fuel to that focus on extraordinary product. That's our goal going forward, 2021 and beyond. We don't want to build a trailer unless it's an extraordinary trailer, differentiated from the crowd, one that we can be proud of and that we can build the growth and success of our team members on. So just amazing innovations and progress coming down the pike that are going to help us keep up that momentum as we move into 2021 and beyond. Anybody that knows me well knows that I love people, and I think that every person is incredible and valuable in their own ways, no question. But at the end of the day, I also say we're all pretty average, ordinary people, right? None of us are any better than the other. We're all average, right? I am, he is, you are, you are, you are. We're all just ordinary guys. But it's our collective power and strengths and trust for one another and teamwork that makes us extraordinary. It's our collective power and strengths and teamwork that makes us the #1 fastest growing brand in the industry, unquestionably. It's our collective power, collective strengths, trust for one another, work together that make us extraordinary.